Tucked away in the very south of Sweden, just across a shimmering strait from Copenhagen, lies a city that somehow manages to feel both wonderfully old and refreshingly modern at the same time. Malmö is a place of cobblestone squares and futuristic skyscrapers, of medieval churches and buzzing food markets, of quiet parks, and one of the most iconic bridges in the world. It's a city that rewards slow exploration, the kind where you wander down a narrow street and stumble upon something beautiful you never expected to find. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or simply dreaming about your next trip to Scandinavia, this video will take you through 8 of the very best places Malmö has to offer. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's explore this charming Swedish gem together. St. Peter's Church. Our journey begins right in the heart of the old town, at a building that has watched over Malmö for more than 700 years. St. Peter's Church is the oldest and largest church in the city, and stepping inside feels like stepping straight into another century. Built in the 14th century using striking red brick in the North German Gothic style, this towering structure was once modeled after the Great Marienkirche in Lübeck. What makes a visit here truly special is the contrast waiting inside its walls. The main hall is grand and soaring, filled with light pouring through tall windows, while tucked away in one corner sits the Merchant's Chapel, a small and intimate space covered floor to ceiling in breathtaking medieval frescoes that somehow survived the centuries. Whether or not you consider yourself a history buff, there's something genuinely moving about standing inside a space this old, imagining the countless generations of Malmö residents who have walked through these same doors before you. Malmöhus Castle. Just a short stroll from the church, surrounded by a peaceful moat and lush green parkland, sits Malmöhus Castle, one of the oldest preserved Renaissance castles in all of Scandinavia. Originally constructed in the 15th century and later rebuilt by the Danish King Christian III, this fortress has worn many hats over the years, serving at various points as a royal residence, a prison, and even a granary. Today, it houses several fascinating museums under one roof, including an art museum, a natural history collection, and an aquarium filled with creatures from Swedish waters and beyond. But honestly, even if museums aren't your thing, the castle grounds themselves are worth a visit. Picture thick stone walls, quiet courtyards, and swans gliding across the surrounding moat, all just minutes from the bustle of the city center. It's the kind of place where you can easily lose track of time, wandering from one atmospheric room to the next. One of the more unexpected highlights inside is the old prison wing, where visitors can walk through narrow cells and read the stories of the people once held within these walls, offering a slightly eerie but fascinating glimpse into the castle's darker chapter as a place of punishment. The art collection is also worth lingering over, spanning everything from classic Nordic paintings to more contemporary Swedish works, giving visitors a broader sense of the region's cultural history beyond just architecture. Lilla Torg. No trip to Malmö would be complete without spending an afternoon or evening in Lilla Torg, which translates simply to Little Square. This cobblestone plaza, dating back to the 16th century, is lined with charming half-timbered buildings that now house cozy cafes, restaurants, and boutique shops. During the warmer months, the entire square comes alive with outdoor seating, string lights, and the cheerful hum of conversation drifting from every corner. It's the kind of place locals and visitors alike gravitate toward when the sun is shining, whether for a leisurely lunch, a glass of wine as evening falls, or simply people watching from a corner table. There's a wonderful sense of authenticity here, a feeling that you've found the real heartbeat of the city rather than a tourist-designed version of it. If you want to understand why people fall in love with Malmö, an evening spent in Lilla Torg will go a long way toward explaining it. If you visit on a Saturday morning, you'll likely stumble upon the small outdoor food market that sets up in the square, selling everything from fresh cheese and cured meats to homemade preserves and freshly baked pastries. A wonderful opportunity to sample local flavors in a relaxed, unhurried setting. Turning torso. Now let's shift gears completely and head toward the waterfront, where Malmö skyline takes on a dramatically different character. Rising 230 meters into the sky, the Turning Torso is an architectural marvel and the tallest building in all of Scandinavia. Designed by the renowned Spanish architect Santiago Calatrava, this residential skyscraper twists a full 90 degrees from its base to its peak, made up of 9 cube-shaped segments that spiral gracefully upward like a piece of sculpture come to life. It has become the defining symbol of modern Malmö, a striking counterpoint to the medieval architecture found elsewhere in the city. While the building itself is primarily residential and not generally open for public tours, simply standing at its base and looking up or admiring it from across the harbor as the light changes throughout the day is an experience in itself. It's proof that Malmö isn't a city frozen in the past, but one that continues to reach boldly toward the future. The surrounding neighborhood of Västra Hamnen, or Western Harbor, is just as worthy of exploration as the tower itself, having been transformed from a former shipyard into one of the most sustainable and forward-thinking districts in Europe. Ribersborgs Open-Air Bath. If you're looking for a truly unique Swedish experience, make your way to Ribersborgs Open-Air Bath, affectionately known to locals as Ribban. Perched on wooden stilts out over the water along Malmö western shoreline, this historic bathhouse dates back to the early 20th century and offers something you won't easily find elsewhere. Here, visitors can enjoy separate sections for saunas, warm baths, and for the truly brave, a plunge into the cold waters of the Öresund Strait itself. There's something wonderfully grounding about the whole experience, sitting in a traditional wood-fired sauna, stepping out onto the deck, and looking out across the water toward Denmark in the distance. Even if you're not ready to take the cold plunge yourself, simply walking along the beach nearby as the sun sets over the strait is one of the most peaceful things you can do in the entire city. It's a place where Malmö slows down, breathes, and reconnects with the sea that has always shaped its identity. The bathhouse is open year-round, which means it draws 2 very different crowds depending on the season, as brave locals continue their sauna and cold plunge routines even when snow is falling outside. Öresund Bridge. Speaking of the sea, no list of Malmö best sites would be complete without mentioning the extraordinary feat of engineering that connects this city to the rest of continental Europe. The Öresund Bridge stretches nearly 8 kilometers across the strait, linking Malmö directly to Copenhagen in neighboring Denmark. What makes this crossing so remarkable is that it isn't just a bridge at all. Partway across, the roadway dramatically disappears into an artificial island before continuing as a tunnel beneath the seabed, a design chosen specifically to avoid interfering with nearby air traffic. Whether you experience it by train, by car, or simply admire its elegant cables from the shoreline back in Malmö, represents something bigger than infrastructure. It represents connection, the joining of 2 nations, 2 cultures, and 2 cities that now function almost as one interconnected region. Fans of Scandinavian television might also recognize it instantly as the namesake and setting of the famous crime drama that shares its name. For visitors, one of the best ways to appreciate the bridge is simply to hop on a train from Malmö Central Station and ride it across to Copenhagen. A journey that takes only around 35 minutes, yet feels like crossing between 2 entirely different worlds. Watching the cables rise dramatically outside your window as the train climbs onto the bridge, followed by the strange sensation of descending into the tunnel beneath the sea, is an experience unlike almost any other train ride in Europe. Möllevångstorget. For a completely different flavor of Malmö, head toward Möllevångstorget, a lively square in one of the city's most wonderfully diverse neighborhoods. Known affectionately as Malmö by locals, this area buzzes with an energy quite different from the polished charm of Lilla Torg. Here you'll find a vibrant outdoor market stocked with fresh produce, spices, and street food representing cultures from all across the globe, a reflection of the many communities that call this neighborhood home. Surrounding streets are packed with independent restaurants, vintage shops. This is the part of Malmö that shows off its multicultural soul, offering visitors a taste of the city's genuine, everyday character rather than a postcard version of it. If you want to eat well and feel the authentic pulse of modern Malmö, this square deserves a spot high on your itinerary. Once evening arrives, Malmö shows off yet another side of its personality, as its many small bars and late-night eateries fill with students, artists, and locals looking to unwind after a long day. The neighborhood has a well-earned reputation as the creative and bohemian heart of the city, with colorful street art decorating many of the surrounding buildings and secondhand shops offering everything from vintage clothing to unique home decor. Kungsparken and Slottsparken. Rounding out our list, let's return to green spaces with Kungsparken and Slottsparken, two connected parks that together form one of the oldest and most beautiful public parks in all of Sweden. Wrapping gracefully around Malmöhus Castle, these gardens are filled with winding pathways, tranquil ponds, and towering old trees that provide welcome shade on warm summer days. It's a favorite spot among locals for picnics, leisurely bike rides, or simply a quiet walk to clear the mind. A charming windmill still stands within the park, a gentle reminder of the area's agricultural past. Whatever time of year you visit, there's a certain magic to these grounds. Whether it's cherry blossoms bursting into bloom in the spring or golden leaves scattered across the paths in autumn. After a day spent exploring churches, museums, and bustling squares, there are few better ways to end your time in Malmö than with a peaceful stroll through this beautiful green space. Keep an eye out for the resident population of birds and small wildlife that call these parks home, including swans and ducks that glide calmly along the ponds, often approaching visitors in search of a friendly greeting. The park also hosts a small outdoor cafe during the warmer months, making it an easy spot to pause for a coffee or a light snack while watching the world go by. And there you have it, 8 incredible places that showcase everything Malmö has to offer, from centuries-old churches and fairy tale castles to record-breaking skyscrapers and one of the most impressive bridges on the planet. What makes this city so special isn't just any single landmark, but the way history and modernity sit so comfortably side by side, creating a destination that feels genuinely unique in all of Scandinavia. If you're planning a trip to Sweden and wondering whether Malmö deserves a place on your itinerary, hopefully this video has made the answer pretty clear. Have you already visited any of these spots? Or is there a hidden Malmö gem we didn't mention here? Let us know down in the comments below. We'd genuinely love to hear about it. And if you enjoyed this journey through the city, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe for more travel content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss what we explore next. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, safe travels.